In this video, I'll detail how to add emoji keyboard on iPhone. So if you want to have a very interesting conversation using emoji just like this, then you learn how you can easily add this emoji to your iPhone keyboard, either you're using iOS 18 or any other iOS format. And this works virtually on iPhone with this feature on the device. So if at the end of this video you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to add emoji keyboard on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on general. And once you select general, scroll down until you get to keyboard and select that. On the keyboard page, you have options to configure your keyboard. On the keyboard page, just scroll down and then turn on stickers. Then send stickers from the emoji keyboard. This is going to add emoji keyboard to your iPhone keyboard just like this. Then when you are trying to type anything like this, you can just react using emoji, any of this. So this is how you can easily add emoji keyboard on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.